Judge Gorsuch does what Judge Roberts then did and refuses to answer questions because it might jeopardize his rulings in future cases, I certainly, and most of my colleagues, will see that as not because he can legally certainly answer questions about existing cases and many other things. We'll see it as a way of hiding his views from the American people, not simply sticking by some kind of judicial guideline. What many of these just judges, nominees from the hard right, have done in the last decade is simply said, I'm not going to answer the question. And that is not required. In fact, it is required, in my judgment, for them to lay out their views before they take such a powerful position.
I don't like making statements about what I think the court can do until I've experienced the process.
It would be inappropriate for a nominee to talk about how she will rule on pending cases or on cases beyond that might come before the court in the future.
I can't answer your hypothetical because I can't look at it as an abstract without knowing what state laws exist on this issue or not. And even if I knew that, I probably couldn't opine because I'm sure that situation might well arise before the court.
I'm reluctant to say how I would think about the question as an average everyday citizen because I might have to think about the question as a judge.
Given that existence of that case, the very first one, I think it would be inappropriate for me to do anything to speak about that area of the law because it would suggest that I'm going into that process with some prejudgment about what precedent says.
Given that you live near Yankee Stadium and you're from the Bronx, I was going to ask you, are you a Mets or Yankee fan? But I guess you've answered that, right?
Be careful, you want to keep the chairman on your side.
No.